In every step, there's a story. In every movement, a lesson. Workshops are more than just learning. They're about connection, discovery, and growth. Through ballet, we find precision. Through emotion, we find truth. And when the beat drops, we let it all go and just dance. New steps, new friends, new memories. This is what workshops are made of.